Hey everybody, Cliff Barron from Remax here with my update for March 3rd, 2022. Let's see what's been happening the past week. The big news is, as we know, the rates increased yesterday. The mortgage rates increased yesterday by a quarter point. And people are saying, what's that going to do to the market? It's like nothing. It's not going to do a thing. I ran some numbers and, they say the average mortgage is about 400,000 or something like that, which is a crazy number. It's not really that. It's way higher than that. I'd say that it's closer to 600,000 or 700,000. So I ran some numbers based on a $670,000 mortgage, which I think is pretty typical. Because when you think if you bought a house in 2015, you paid about $500-600 for it. It's worth about 1.4 now. You got that equity. You move up to a bigger house for say 1.7. You got about a $600,000 or $700,000 mortgage. So basically, your mortgage payments, in a nutshell, would be around $2,400 right now. A quarter point increase would be about $82 a month. That's it. So we're not going to really see the effects of mortgage hikes affecting the market much until it starts to get into the fifth or sixth sort of rate hike. But I think what's going to affect the market more right now is the fact that the pricing is so high. It's things are going up so quickly that it's going to effectively take people out of the market. When that happens, it's going to soften things. So it's funny. Like last week, I did a deal outside of the GTA, and there was only 2 offers on it. Meanwhile, I had a client interested in a property, rural Milton, yesterday, and 19 offers sold for $900,000 over the asking price, believe it or not. So, which the asking price was too low, obviously. But apart from that, you get pockets. I can see pockets are starting to slow. Other areas are doing great, and it kind of reminds me of the summer of last year, because we had that last year where there's certain areas that were slowing, where other areas were still rocking away. So as far as the mortgage hike, half a quarter point, it's nothing. It won't really affect anything. It's going to take a bit for the effects to come through, but I think you combine the two, the rate increase and the fact that prices are so high, it's got to slow things. So when is it coming? That's the question. That's the $1 million question, and everybody knows it. But right now, it's still very active. Still a good time to sell. I got a bunch of stuff coming up. So 1 in Milton, 2 in Milton, actually. So if you got any interest, looking for a detached in Milton, let me know. Anyways, Cliff Barron from Remax. I'll talk to you. Any questions, let me know. See ya.